We use he for a boy or a man. He is my father. He is my father. He is my friend. He is my friend. We use she for girl or a woman. She is my mother. She is my mother. She is my sister. She is my sister. She is my grandmother. She is my grandmother. She is my aunt. She is my aunt. She is my friend. She is my friend. Thank you for watching. Practice all the things you learned in this video. Please subscribe to my channel.